Hello, welcome to my video where I will create a seamless pattern design. It's an easy trick and I will show you how to do this in Photoshop. First you will have to create a square. I always work on a pretty large scale. I think this one is 42 by 42 centimeters. It's easier to downsize later than make it larger. So fill your square with whatever illustrations you would like to see on your pattern. Drag and drop the rulers to make a cross in the middle. Now your drawing is divided in 4 pieces. We will select and move these pieces according to this picture. So top left will go to bottom right, top right will go to bottom left, bottom left will go to top right, and bottom right will go to top left. Make sure your selection goes over the rulers. So when you have selected a piece, use copy merged and paste. You will have a new layer. Drag this layer to the opposite corner, and for this you will need the rulers. You will need to align the corner perfectly in the middle, and this is very important to not make any mistakes in. Continue to do this with all the corners. Zoom in if you want to make sure that it's aligned perfectly. Now you will see a cross shape without any illustrations. So go on and fill this with whatever you want. You will probably notice that you will have to change some of the earlier illustrations that you made. For example, I made dots, but I want to be a cat face there. So I will erase the dots and draw a cat face. The only thing is with this technique that you have merged all your layers in one copy-paste. So if you notice something that you really want different, you should go back to your first layers and change that, and then do the process of copy-pasting all the sides again. So once you're done with drawing everything you want, it's actually finished. And you can try to put the whole illustration on a bigger canvas and just copy paste them next to each other and see if they will look good. So to check if there are no mistakes, you need to see the whole picture, but also zoom in on the lines where the borders of the pattern are. This pattern is really simple with a background in one color, so mistakes are not too easy to make. But in the designs I will show next, it's more important, because there will be colors and shapes and gradients all over the place.